Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. Okay, this is the amount 93.6. I staked 93.6 USDT. I staked it yesterday. Okay, and right now I have, you can see here, untrusted means staked amount. Okay, now I have 105.53. so I'm gonna bring up the calculator here. Okay, 105.53 minus 93.67, and you can see I have earned $11.86 today. You heard it right, $11.86 today. Sorry for the slippage of the tongue. Now what I need to do is I need to go to the transaction here. I'm gonna click here on the pause. I'm again gonna go to the wallet here, and I started this journey with $10. Okay, and if I show you the team down there on the top side, you can see this is the amount I have earned by now. I have earned $348.39, and I started with $10 only due to the affiliates. This is the power of affiliate marketing. Okay, this is the power of affiliate marketing. People say that affiliate marketing doesn't work, but it works here, guys. I'm not joking. Like this one, you see, this is the link. Okay, if you sign up through the link, and if you have strong team like me, you can earn good amount of money. Now what I will do, go back to the marketplace. I'm gonna stake it for 1 day again. Click here, I'm gonna click all, and you can see today I'm gonna stake 105. I'm gonna write down the password, and I'm gonna click on confirm, and there you go, the same old process which I have been doing in the past videos. So simple, guys, simple process, no rocket science. You can earn some good amount of money. This is a legit website, this is a legit app. I'm not joking. I have been doing it for a couple of months. So yeah, other videos might be distracted like the T-Rex videos, but this one is legit. And you can see here the time has started again. So I used to earn approximately 10, 11, and it keeps increasing, you guys. Yesterday I earned 11. Before that I earned $10, and it goes on and on. So it's very simple, no rocket science, simple enough. You just need to go and sign up to the link, and if you have a good team of 10 to 15 friends, just invite them your link, and you can earn some good amount. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.